To create an appointment on Academic SupportNet, students first select a schedule and then choose their purpose of visit. By clicking on the Schedules drop-down menu, students can choose from a variety of calendars, including one in which they can rent library study rooms, begin the research process with the Aurora University librarian, create a tutoring session with a peer or professional content tutor. After selecting one of those calendars, students can then choose their purpose of visit. For example, on the subject peer tutoring calendar, students can choose from a wide variety of courses. Selecting a course causes the calendar to automatically sort so that it only shows tutors who can help with content in that course. Likewise, on the writing and academic coaching calendar, students can use the purpose of visit drop-down menu to choose academic coaching or writing specialist tutoring. Looking around at the calendar, green and red boxes are other students' appointments over Zoom and in person. We're looking for empty white boxes. Those are times in which a tutor is still available. Each empty white box represents half an hour. We're looking typically for a full hour appointment. So we need two white boxes next to each other. Clicking on the first empty white box causes a new appointment form to pop up. From here, you can choose whether you want to meet over Zoom or in person in Phillips Library. The more information you give our tutors about what you want help with, the more they're able to prepare for the session. Similarly, you can attach files to the appointment form, whether that's the draft of an essay, a prompt, or even a rubric. By clicking Create Appointment, a new appointment will be created on the calendar. That blue box is my appointment. I can click that blue box to reopen the appointment form at any time and attach a file, edit the appointment, or even cancel the appointment. Cancellations are allowed for peer tutors up to 8 hours in advance and up to 3 hours in advance for professional tutors. I'm going to edit my appointment because I want it to be a full hour. Additionally, students can look up to 14 days in advance on any of these calendars. Additional information about Academic SupportNet and the Academic Support Center is available on the Announcements Home calendar. From here, students can look through the Academic SupportNet FAQ. Additionally, the Academic Support Center is always happy to answer any questions about its services or to help students in navigating Academic SupportNet.